Do you want fix crashing in PlayStation 5 in college football 25? Okay, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, the first step. Okay, we are going to the configuration. Okay, of PlayStation. You click. Okay, and here we are going to okay, to the button network. Okay, you accept, and here okay, we are going to the status of your connection. Okay, here, and if you have any error, okay, here you go to the config of connection of internet. Okay, and here you okay, you have to connect to the network. Okay, step by step here. Okay, of Wi-Fi. Okay, or of cable of LAN. Okay, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.